Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Klarna account from the app, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall your Klarna account from the app, begin by opening the Klarna app on your device. Log into your Klarna account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account section in the app. Look for the settings option within the account section. Select the Manage Account option available under Settings. Scroll down until you find the Close Account or Delete Account option. Carefully read through the information provided about closing your account. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm your choice by selecting the appropriate button. You may be prompted to provide a reason for closing your account. Fill in any required fields and proceed to confirm your account closure. Once the account has been successfully closed, you will receive a confirmation notification. Now, exit the Klarna app. To fully uninstall the app from your device, go to your device's settings. Locate that Apps or Applications section in the Settings menu. Scroll through the list to find the Klarna app. Select the Klarna app to access its options. Tap on Uninstall to remove the app from your device. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. Once completed, the Klarna app will be removed from your device. Your Klarna account is now uninstalled and deleted. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.